I'm back. Yes, this is part 2 of liver. Oh no. Who eats liver? Well, I do, but it's chicken livers. I don't like the consistency or the texture of beef liver, and I think that's the stigma. Liver, regardless of what animal it comes from, it's very good for you. It has a lot of vitamins and benefits to you. So I kept my mom's chicken liver recipe in my head all these years. And as you see, now it is done. And it's been about 25 minutes. I kind of guessed pretty good on that one. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. And there it is. You see how the onions are all nice and translucent. The peppers are nice and soft. So browning on the livers. There's some nice marbling there. Now the one thing that I noticed when I did this dish right now is even though it was thick bacon, it was kind of lean. And the thing that makes the liver not taste so much like liver for those who are kind of, I don't want to eat liver. You have to have enough bacon grease in the pan so that it tastes more like a bacony taste. So since my thick sliced bacon didn't have a lot of fat in it, it was fairly lean, what I added to it was 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So that way you're getting a healthy oil mixed in with the chicken liver and the onions and the green peppers. The bacon's just, everything tastes better with bacon on it. Everybody says that, it's the truth. So what I typically do and what my mother would do, instead of putting the bacon on each individual serving, she would just grab a handful like this, sprinkle it in there. Sprinkle it in there. Oh, we're not going to waste any bacon today. We're going to put it all in there. Ooh, that's about 4 slices of thick sliced bacon. Now look, doesn't it look beautiful? Look at the bacon. Look at all that. And then you stir it up just a little bit. You stir it like this. And that taste is amazing. I think I said before, green bell peppers actually have more vitamin C in them than an orange. Another vegetable that has more vitamin C than orange is beets, believe it or not. So if you don't like beets, you should try them. I love them. Okay, I need to get a dish. Oh, let's see if I can find one. Ah, yes, a dish. Because I like it best when it's good and hot and fresh out of the pot. So we're going to put this here. I don't want to grow, you don't have to look. You don't have to watch me. Because I know there's a bunch of folks that's like, oh God, I'm never eating livers. But this is amazing. And up there, I'm not going to take, I'll eat more once you're gone, okay? But I have to try this. I haven't made it in a while, and I've been wanting to. Oopsie, dropped one. Good stuff. Oh yeah, now I'm eating with my fingers. That's not good. All right, I'm gonna grab a fork. You ready? I'm taking my first bite. No, actually my second bite, sorry.
Good?
It's delicious. Okay, watch this. Oh God. If you cook chicken livers like this, you'll get hooked. And it's good for you. It's tasty. You like bacon? Just eat it for the bacon part. But this is how we used to do growing up out in the country. We had chicken livers and bacon and onions and green peppers, and it's a great filling good meal. Try it out. I would love to hear and see your comments, and if you want to see me cook anything else, because everybody calls me Betty Crocker. Don't know why, but that's one of my nicknames anyway. I do love to bake though. Anyway, y'all have a good day, and this has been Country Cooking with me.